Hey guys, and welcome to Best Reviews. We're giving you our honest take on the top products people are buying online. Today, we're looking at Instant Pots. So a lot of people who get their Instant Pots end up leaving them in the box for months because they're kind of intimidated by the display here. They're not really getting it to work right for them. So we're gonna show you a little bit of a quick start guide on how to get your Instant Pot working right away. So, first things first, make sure you plug it in. Once you plug it in, you'll see the electronic display turn on, indicating that it's on. And then, you're gonna wanna press this button that says manual. It might say pressure cook on newer versions, but that will get you to this screen where you can actually program the time. So we're gonna set this up to 10 minutes. Perfect. You need to wait for a sec for the beep, and that'll indicate that it's gonna start heating up. Voila! So that beep indicates that it's starting to come to pressure. And how will you know when it's come to pressure? The display here will flip back to your cook time, and then it will begin counting down. The Instant Pot, when it finishes cooking, will automatically flip to a keep warm mode. So if you don't want your food to just sit there and keep warm, you have to hit this cancel button, and that should end your cooking session. And that's really it. Once you know these basic functions, you can set your Instant Pot to cook just about anything. There are many other presets that you can explore, but these are the only things that you really need to know to get this thing off and running. We hope we've been able to provide you with some insight today on one of our favorite products here at Best Reviews, the Instant Pot. Thanks guys for visiting us. Be sure to check us out online at bestreviews.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/bestreviews. See you later.